Hey guys, good morning. Early shift today. So ang trabaho natin is from 5 a.m. to 1 p.m. Today is Friday. So pag Friday kami guys, usually 6 hours lang yung work namin. But today meron kaming overtime na 2 hours. So mag-start tayo ng 5 and matatapos tayo ng 1:00. So today we will be doing a day in the life of a factory worker here in Australia. And an international student at the same time. So tara, samahan niyo ako papunta ng work. So see you in 19 minutes. So dumating na tayo sa ating work. So it's 5 a.m. So tara, let's go. So guys, nasa work na tayo. And unfortunately, hindi ko kayo madadala muna for now, doon sa loob. Kasi nag-overtime kami. Maraming tao. So mamaya, I'm gonna bring you there. So we're done with our overtime. So that's just 2 hours. Right now, it's our regular shifts. Halika. Yan ako sasabihin sa'yo. Say good morning, guys! So, she's Mother Anna. So, ang dami ko mga mother dito sa factory. Ang dami ko mother. Tapos ito, meron din isa. Halika dito. Halika. Tingin lang. Mag-say hi ka lang. Good morning, ganon. Hi, good morning! I think nagawa ko na tong vlog na to before, yung a day na life of a factory worker here in Australia. So that time, I was doing afternoon shifts. So 8 months ago, nalipat ako sa morning shift. My shift starts at 7 and then it finishes at 3 from Mondays to Thursdays. And then on Friday, it starts from 7 a.m. to 1 p.m. Only 6 hours during Friday. Because dito sa Australia, you're only allowed to work 38 hours per week. Kung nagtrabaho ka more than 38 hours per week, it is considered as overtime. So yung overtime dito is 1.5% ng sweldo mo. So parang 50% additional to your regular hourly rate. So ganun yung computation. Tapos pag Sunday naman, it's times 2. But unfortunately, wala kaming Sunday dito. Sometimes may Saturday. Kaya, pag may Saturday, ginagrab namin. Kasi, pangdagdag sa ating budget. Alright, so, some of you were asking guys, ano ba daw yung visa ko dito sa Australia? So, ako po ay isang international student and student visa po yung aking visa dito. And may nagtanong din, bakit ako nakakapagtrabaho ng full-time? Student visa daw ako. Alam niyo naman ang student visa dito sa Australia, you can only work 48 hours per fortnight. So, bakit daw ako nakakapag full-time or wala akong work restriction? Kasi ganito yon. Let me explain. Ako kasi guys, naka-de facto ako kay Nico. So, si Nico is nag-student and he is taking up Masters in Social Work. So, pag Masters in Social Work guys, yung dependent mo is makakapagtrabaho ng full-time. Kaya ako, wala akong restrictions, pero si Nico, he can only work 48 hours per fortnight. Kasi yun lang yung allowed sa kanya. So, I hope nasagot ko yung questions niyo bakit ako nakapag full-time job dito sa Australia. Kahit na naka-student visa ako. Alas 9. Wala na kaming lunches, guys. Hey guys, it's our break. Let's eat, guys. It's my food. I'm gonna init. Hopefully hindi ko siya panis.
May YouTube ka ba?
Opo. Sa YouTube ko ito yung ina-upload eh. Opo, kahit pa paano. Taga $1, $2. Ah.
Walang isang billion na siya.
Wow. It's so yum. Sarap. Sarap pa rin. 3 araw na to eh. It's so yum.
Nakunin na.
It's so yum. It's so yum.
Masarap yan. Oo. Minsan lang kasi siya eh. Madalas kasi yung bot. Ano oh? Ilang dig siya? Wala ka gagawin. Taban. Naka-live ka?
Kakain muna ako guys. Ang pangit ko kumain. Sige, babalik ako sa inyo.
Ilang ako lalabas bukas? Alam na niyo yun?
Yay! We're
Alam na niya yun.
We're done, guys.
Wow! Okay na.
Talagang dalawa yung gusto niya, guys. Nagkakagulo na. Teka, ni-stress ako. Wait lang. Kasi yung mga kasama ko umalis na. So, I need to go as well. Sometimes hindi ko na alam kung factory ba to or tindahan. Tara, uwi na tayo. Bye-bye, Mother Diggs! And we're off to go! Bye-bye, everyone! So, dumating na tayo sa bahay and all in all, hindi ganun ka-busy yung ating araw today. So, basically, yun yung typical Friday ko. If you wanted to see more vlogs or more content, please comment down below. And if you enjoyed that vlog, if it's not too much to ask, please do subscribe para ma-update kayo sa mga bagong vlogs na i-upload natin sa channel na ito. Alright? So it's me again, Auntie Palapo, yung pobreng lagan, saying explore because life is too short and be a responsible lagan. Till next time, I'll see you on my next one.